IVC is an appreciation event for all of our volunteers, for all the seva and khidma they do day in and day out to run Jamaat Khana operations, as well as to celebrate their families. When we started this last year, we had 1,000 volunteers participating. The count has gone up to 1,600 today, and in the future, we look to have more presence from all of our volunteers across all 11 centers in the Southeast region.
This event is an opportunity for us to recognize the selfless deeds of our volunteers and the unity and the spirit of all the volunteers around the world. Volunteers keep our institutions vibrant and, most importantly, support our youth in various different capacities.
Thank you and so much gratitude to the Ismaili volunteers and your loved ones for all that you do for the Jamaat. So on behalf of the Jamaat, thank you for your time, dedication, and the compassion and love with which you serve. Thank you.